Well, good morning, YouTube. I just wanted to hop on and do a rather short video talking about the mastermind that I just got off of with the Home Business Academy. We do have a Saturday morning mastermind, and usually it's an orientation mastermind for new people who have entered the program, who want to learn how to get started. And our owners show up. They show up 6 days a week. This is one of the only companies that I've been in where you get to talk to the owners of the company practically 6 days of the week, if you want to show up for it. Because these guys do multiple masterminds. But at the basic level, for beginners, they have a Saturday mastermind. And what really hits me is I've been doing these masterminds now for about a year. Every Saturday morning, the orientation mastermind, set up specifically for newbies, is attended not only by newbies, but by folks that have been with the program for years. Because there is so much value in the orientation mastermind that even the old timers come in to learn something new. Because the owners of the company that host the mastermind, they share from their wealth of knowledge very freely. And that's what I love about this program. You get help, you get answers to your questions from people that know the answers, not just like on YouTube. You know how it goes. Some people just want to do a video, they want to get likes, they want to get clicks, and so they pick a topic that's hot. They may not know a darn thing about it, but they'll make a video about it and try to convince you that they know something. And with our group, with our Home Business Academy, you're learning from folks that have like over a decade in the business. Mike, I think he's got almost 20 years in. Paul the same way. We got Amy, one of our trainers, about 20 years experience in under her belt. So, you're learning from people that actually know what they're talking about. And it's just so inspiring and so educational at the same time. Plus, with all the products that we have at the Home Business Academy, they pay 80% recurring commissions. And these products are so high quality that once you get in, once you see the value, the average person is probably going to stay. I know that's the way I was. I got in about a year ago and just saw the value, and I've been a member ever since. So if you want to check out the Home Business Academy, go to my link, ralphshomebiz.com, and I will put that in the program description down below, and just see if this is for you. And I'm also going to put up the link to today's mastermind. Today's mastermind was open for members and non-members alike. And so if you want to check out what a real mastermind looks like with our academy, that link will be in the program description down below too. And it's absolutely free to see that program. So have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you in future updates, and take care. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.